Lower body nerve flow number 1. Absolutely love this, guys. Let's go get the body moving. Stand up out of your chair. Let's get that foot on the chair. Keep the knee bent with your foot. If you're pushing your foot away like you're pushing down the accelerator, you're going to take tension off your tibial nerve. So pulling the foot up towards your knee is going to increase it. Keeping the knee bent, drop this pelvis, the right side, your sit bone, towards the ground. And just play with that up and down. Some of you might have to pull the wine glass up, then take that down. If you've got no tension yet, now's the time to straighten the knee out. And just play with that knee being in tension. Remember, 3 out of 10 is what we're after. Then get your pelvis moving, your ribs moving up and away, your leg rolling in at the hip there without the pelvis moving. Next step, little toe out towards the knee. So I'm bringing it up here, pelvis down, drop the knee straight. I can drive through that knee a couple times, keeping the toes going up and out towards the outside of the knee. I can get to my tension of 3. I can keep that there. I can roll this in, get that hip moving, keep the pelvis stationary. I can get that tension on. I can lift this rib cage up and away like so. If you've got no tension there, we take the body and we're going to bend at the waist. So by that I mean pull the foot up, toes out, knees straight, nice and tall, leaning forward till you feel that tibial nerve. 3 out of 10. You can play with the foot position, you can play with the knee position, you can roll the pelvis in here, get it nice and smooth, swap over, left leg, up we go, knee bent, foot coming up to the knee, pelvis down, play with that pelvis position, lifting it up, play with the foot driver, play with the knee driver. Find the position you need to get in to get tension. You may have to bend forward. There we go, into my calf, knee, foot, roll the hip in and out, rib cage up, rib cage down, pelvis up. Now I can take my little toe out to the knee, keep the whole foot heading towards that, straighten the knee out, there we go, bend forward, roll in, roll out. Just keep it nice and smooth, guys, no more than a 3. Explore where that foot gives you tension, where the knee position gives you tension, where that hip position, pelvis, ribs, and that is your nerve flow for your lower body, number 1.